How to use journaling to improve your decision-making skills. If you want to improve your decision-making skills, one of the best things you can do is to start journaling. That's right, journaling. With all of our modern technological advances, it's easy to forget the power of the written word. But make no mistake, journaling is still one of the most effective ways to gain clarity and insight into your own thought process. Journaling has helped me make better decisions in my own life, both big and small. It's a tool that I use daily, and one that I highly recommend to anyone who wants to improve their decision-making skills. In this video, I will share with you how to use journaling to improve your decision-making skills. I'll also be sharing 5 journal prompts to help you with decision-making regarding a specific decision. Before getting started, if you like this video, please take a moment to like and subscribe. We'd love for you to join our journaling community as we journal through life together. Okay, back to the good stuff. How journaling helps you make better decisions. One of the main reasons why journaling is so effective for improving your decision-making skills is because it forces you to slow down and think about what you're doing. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the moment and make rash decisions without giving them proper consideration. When you journal, it can be tempting just to do a brain dump and move on with your day. But if you really want to improve your decision-making skills, you have to also take the time to sit down and think about what you're trying to achieve. This extra step allows you to reflect on your goals and consider different options before making a final decision. Another way journaling helps you make better decisions is because it allows you to track your progress over time. By looking back at old entries, you can see how far you've come and what worked well for you in the past. This information can be invaluable when faced with tough decisions in the present. Finally, journaling is a great way to get out all of the pent-up emotions that can cloud your judgment. When we bottle up our feelings, they tend to come out at inopportune times and sabotage our ability to make rational decisions. But when you get those feelings out on paper, they no longer have as much power over you. This can help you approach decisions from a more clear-headed perspective. If you're looking for a way to improve your decision-making skills, I highly recommend trying journaling. It's helped me immensely in my own life, and I'm confident it can do the same for you. Here are 5 journal prompts to help you improve your decision-making. 1. What is a decision you've been putting off? Why have you been avoiding it? 2. What are the potential consequences of this decision? What are you afraid of? 3. What are the possible benefits of this decision? What is your goal? 4. Who else will be affected by this decision? How do they feel about it? 5. What are some different options for proceeding? Which one feels right to you? Give yourself a few minutes to work through each prompt, and you'll find a greater sense of clarity around any issues you're currently facing. Visit journalparty.com for more journaling resources like journal prompts, guided journals, and more.